Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
That let us now proceed to number 14. Okay, I want you to answer guys ha. Okay, gusto ko yung inyong participation ngayon. You are very active, okay? Participating sa chat box. Gaya na sinabi ko, if you have a question that is confusing you, don't hesitate to ask. That is my job, no, to explain it to you para maintindihan nyo. Otherwise, hindi nyo naintindihan, then I'm a failure. Okay? So, 14. Measures through which police seek to detect crimes to attempt to be present when they are committed through the use of undercover agent, okay, electronic device or wiretapping device, okay, and stakeouts. What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? No? So, take note of this, no? Undercover agent, okay, electronic device, wiretapping, bugging, and stakeout. What is your answer? Sabi ni Alwin, letter C, proactive. Okay? Tignan nyo, no, guys, no? I want you to remember, no, meron tayong dalawang, meron tayong dalawang uri ng measures when it comes to operation. Meron tayong proactive, meron tayong reactive measure. Ano pagkakaiba ng dalawa? Pag sinabi mong proactive, you prevent the crime from happening. Pag sinabi mong reactive, the crime is already committed or transpired and you react to solve it. Okay, you react to correct it, you react, no, to give justice, no, to the victim. Like investigation, di ba? Kaya nag-investigate because may nangyaring krimen. Okay? So, pag gumamit ka ng undercover agents, nagpupunta ka ng undercover agents sa isang grupo, it means meron ng crime na nakukumit. Kasi may organized crime na eh. Okay? Pag gumamit ka ng electronics device and wiretapping or bugging, by the way, I want to reiterate to you, no? Although I already discussed it last time. Pag sinabi mong bugging, ano yung bugging? Okay? When you say about bugging is what? Bugging is the use of, okay, audio listening device. Okay? Tandaan nyo lang yung word na device, ha? Tandaan nyo lang yung word na device. Okay? Audio listening device. So please remember that. When you say about wiretapping, no, it is the intercepting the telephone conversation. Pag sinabing telephone conversation, okay, wiretapping yon. Okay, intercepting, okay, telephone conversation. Okay, that is wiretapping. So, please remember that. Okay. Ngayon, balik tayo rito. Many have answered proactive measure. Hindi na pwedeng maging proactive measure yan. Okay? Hindi na pwedeng maging proactive measure. Because the crime is already committed. Nandyan na eh. Okay? Gumamit ka ng wiretap para during the commission, pag may gagawin pang silang krimen, ma-intercept mo, okay, bugging, stakeouts, no? Used to arrest, stakeouts, stakeout upon arrival of the subject, kumuha ka ng additional evidence sa mga ginagawa niyang krimen. So it's not all, hindi na siya preventive or proactive. The answer is bravo, countermeasures, okay? Countermeasures. So please remember that. Okay? Let us now proceed to number 15. Okay? So, number 15 na tayo, guys. No? A police activity direct towards the identification and apprehension of alleged criminals and accumulation and preservation and presentation of evidence regarding their alleged crime. Regarding their alleged crime. So what is the answer for this one? Okay, sabi ni Eric. Okay, nice answer, Eric. Sabi ni JM. Okay. So, sabi ni Leon. So take note ha. Identification, marami pa rin sa ating nalilito. And apprehension of alleged criminals. Accumulation, preservation, and presentation of evidence. No? Identity, location, and to provide evidence. Anong sagot? Marami pa rin nalilito. Okay? Marami pa rin nalilito, guys. No? The answer is criminal investigation. Okay? Criminal investigation is the answer. So take note, identification, to identify the criminal. Apprehension, to locate him. And accumulation, preservation, and presentation of evidence to provide evidence, to prove his or her guilt in the court of law. Okay? So, remember that. Okay? The answer is criminal investigation. Okay. Number 16. Okay. An extension or accumulation of preliminary investigation. What is the answer? Yan, si Russell, tama. Lian, you are correct. So, you are all correct. Okay? So, initial investigation, other term din niya sa preliminary investigation. So, the answer is follow-up investigation. The answer is letter D, follow-up investigation. Okay. So, to obtain admission and confession of guilt is the primary purpose of what? Is the primary purpose of what? What is the answer? Anong sagot? What is the answer for this one? Okay, sabi ni Alexander, okay, Mexico. No? Si Leanne, sumagot na. Okay, hindi siya, guys, no? Interview is more on collecting. No? Collecting of information, getting statements, no? Information. Okay, investigation ganun din, no? It's a collection of facts. Surveillance, okay, observation of a person, place, or things. Tama kayo, almost tama lahat kayo. The answer is interrogation. Interrogation. Guys, may rule sa board exam, ha? If, no, the question is in general, your answer should be in general. If the question is specific, the answer is specific. Bigyan ko kayo ng example para maintindihan nyo. Kunyari ang tanong, following the person to determine his movements. Yun ang tanong, ha? To follow the person. Ang mga choices, may surveillance, may shadowing. Sir, di ba yung following a person is surveillance din? Following a person is shadowing. Ano ngayon ang tanong? You check the question. Okay. Anong nakalagay sa question? Following. So, specific. Kasi pag surveillance, observation, it's either fixed surveillance or moving surveillance. Surveillance. No? So, nakita mo following, then you answered it specific. The answer is no, shadowing or tailing. Dito, ganun din. To obtain admission of guilt, under nga siya ng investigation. Di ba? Under siya ng investigation. Pero, specific ang dapat sagot mo. The answer is interrogation. The primary purpose kaya ka, no, nagsasagawa ng interrogation to get this admission or confession. Yan ang reason yan eh. That is the reason, no? Kung bakit ka gumagamit ng interrogation. So, kaya nga no, kanina pinag-usapan natin the subject of interrogation usually sila ay suspects or hostile witness. Kasi gusto mong makuha yung admission or confession. So please remember that. Okay?
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!